Good morning. Today we are going to start a new series related to Agentforce Revenue Cloud. If you are somebody like me who have been struggling to learn Revenue Cloud and couldn't find much resources over web, then these video series would be for you, where we will be trying to understand the concept in a deeply manner, and entire videos will be available on the YouTube playlist which will be attached below. Okay, so let's get started. I will consider that you are brand new to the Revenue Cloud, including me. Okay, so let's go ahead. If you see that every video will be including a trailhead link or any resource that I have gone through, and we will be, so that it becomes more easy for you to revise after we go through this video. Okay, so I will be attaching the link for the same trailhead below. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, let's try to understand what is the revenue generation life cycle. Every time, if you know about the sales cloud, right, every time on a high level, what happens that there is a product, right, there is a product on which the customer is interested into. Then you create an opportunity, add those products, and then you create a quote. Your quote is shared with the customer. If he's happy with the quote, then accordingly you get the approvals, you generate the entire quotes and everything. The generation of the contract happens, and then the generation of the order happens. You fulfill the order and generation of the bill happens. This is how entirely it goes, right? From the product which we want to sell to the customer till the point when we generate the bill, right? This is the entire cycle. But where is the problem, right? The problem is the point solutions. What are point solutions? These are small applications that we use to serve a purpose immediately, which means every time, say you want to use, you have a requirement where you are using the standard code generation, right? But now you don't want to do the standard code generation, and you want to switch to Adobe or some another software, right? Or you have some pricing things, and to handle your pricing you have installed another application from App Exchange. This is what we call as different applications for this entire cycle, where you have installed them. Those applications are nothing but they're serving your purpose, yeah, right, at the same time, but they're not interrelated to each other, right? You have installed this from some XYZ company, this from XYZ company, so everything would be there on the App Exchange, and you got it, you integrated, and you are doing the stuff. Okay, now what will happen? You are already using the point solutions, but the problem comes whenever you are scaling, right? Whenever you see that you want to integrate, what will happen when you try to integrate? And sometimes it happens, it increases the operational costs, because you have all the implementations in different applications, which will create the integration issues, which will create slowness in the system, which will ultimately decrease the revenue of the company, because the entire cycle is going slowly, because quotes are getting delayed to be created, right? Billing is happening in a delayed manner, and system is fragmented, right, at this point of time. So these are the problems in the point solution. Okay, so we are good till what is the point solution and what are the problems. Now how does Agentforce Revenue Cloud, it solves it? So it's a complete solution from the product to the cash, right? We just discussed how we got the product till how we got the billing, right? So it's a complete solution from the product to the cash, with the ability to scale and with rich sets of API. We just discussed that because the system is fragmented, we will be getting the problem of APIs, right? We will be getting the problem of integration. That's where when APIs come into picture, right? So Agent Revenue Cloud, or Revenue Cloud and Advanced, whatever you want to call it. So RCA, for example, let me call it RCA. So RCA is a complete solution from the product to the cash, with the ability of basically scaling and getting rich sets of APIs to extend the capabilities. We are good with what exactly is Agentforce Revenue Cloud. In the second part, we are going to understand what is Agentforce Revenue Management and what are the components inside it. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.